my god. Why didn't you guys tell me that was happening? Hey guys, come with me while I do my own oil change. It's so foggy outside, like crazy foggy, and it's so humid. This is the oil I'm going to be using and the oil filter. They had a sale at AutoZone for like $36 for both, so I ended up getting this one. So first I'm just going to see if I can unscrew the oil filter because last time I was struggling so bad. Also, last time I kept calling the oil filter the air filter. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Hold on. Okay. I got it basically. This is not even tight at all. Ooh. Okay, that scared me. What is this? Does this have a purpose? It's literally a zip tie right here. What is this? Okay. Oh my god. Why didn't you guys tell me that was happening? Where's the plug? Oh my god, don't tell me I fell in the oil pan again. That happened last time. Okay, well I just got my whole glove dirty to look for them. It's not even there. It's right here. I am wondering what this is though. It's a zip tie. I don't know why it's here, what the purpose is, or if it even has a purpose. Okay, I need to go get some paper. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay. So I lined the oil filter with some oil, so don't worry guys. Okay. Perfect. .5, 1.5. Okay, it's about 1. So now I'm gonna take it off the ramps and I'm going to check the oil level on a flat surface. Now I'm gonna put this oil into this empty bottle that I used last time. I'm very proud of myself. This was the only spill that I made, and it's very tiny. Last time it was really bad. Now I'm just gonna check the oil. Oh man, that's hot. No wonder I was like, it's like right above the first stop.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay. My timing is kind of perfect because I planned that this would only take me about 30 minutes. Yeah, it looks okay. Let's do it again. But yeah, I planned that this would only take me like 30 minutes because at 9 I have to go take my dog to get microchipped. So yeah, we are on time. Well, slightly late because it's 9:03, but it's okay. But we're done.